Good afternoon. Hello, my name is Willington Manuel Romero Contreras. I am from Sagun, Colombia. I am 51 years old. I love spending time with my family, helping people in need, and teaching my students at school. A funny fact about me is that one day a cow attacked me and I had to climb a tree. It almost caught me. I really like helping my family and anyone who needs me. I enjoy the countryside, especially growing cassava and rice. I love vallenato, music, mote de queso, and icotea. But I don't like pork, blood, sausage, or junk food. When I wake up, I thank God for a new day. I help with chores at home. They are exhausted, had breakfast, and take my children to school. Then I visit my mother and go to work, where I stay for about 6 hours. I know I go back home, have long rest a little, and prepare my lesson or grade my student work. In the near future, I want to work with Christ and become a magister. I hope to achieve my goal, help my family, and make a positive impact in my community. I am excited about what coming and we keep working hard to make my dream come true hand in hand with God. Thank you very much.